It's been raining all day long today, actually very heavy rain with the thunders and lightning and everything. So we decided we have to make a video somewhere where it's not raining, which is mall obviously. Today's second the best mall in Bali in our opinion, which is Bali Mall Galleria. And many of you may ask, mall again? Yes, mall again, because this is part of our daily life. We are the daily YouTubers. And more likely expat YouTubers, not like typically tourist YouTubers. If I will make tourist videos, I will make 10 videos from Bali and that's it. And I will move to different country. However, we made already 900 videos plus, and that's the part of our daily life. Bali Mall Galleria for every one of you who like the place.
Basically, so this mall, there are 2 floors. This one is the first floor, and there is the second floor, and one basement. Down there is the basement for the parking lot. I know that this mall is much older than Beach Walk or much older than Discovery, shopping mall. But this kind of the first mall which was so famous long time ago, but still exists until now. Maybe because of cheaper price, but some people still coming here, and not only tourists, expat, locals, domestic tourists, international tourists coming here also for
Everybody
shopping.
actually coming here, and this is the mall. And this is actually the one of the first malls here. So many of you guys, especially who coming to Bali since many decades, should remember this place and having a great memories. And that's how it looks, the main lobby. Unfortunately, there is no Christmas tree yet. Maybe next time. Last year at that time was already, and that's the kind of shops you can find here, and also H&M is here as well, of course. Winnie is thinking about where we're gonna eat, and this is like a Chinese something with the noodles, so probably, but there are plenty of different options in case if actually this mall have plenty options for dining, that's for sure. Everywhere actually restaurants here. And meanwhile the rain is going more and more, actually raining. Instead of less, it's more. And you can see the lightnings time to time. Check this out, it's actually very rainy day today. Another option is famous M&M juice. This is actually not a juice shop, even the name sounds like they have any kind of Indonesian food. Or one more also, what Winnie is considering, this one is actually like looks like a new. Looks very nice inside, and also seems like more and more people are interested also because they are looking for. So well, it's actually not mentioned about the rain is getting worse and worse. This one actually looks also nice, but all is considered about the Indonesian food in general. In case if you're gonna come here, the menu here is like a huge book. You can find anything starting from seafood, vegetarian, beef, chicken. Everything is actually around few dollars only, like 40, 50, 60, 70k, not so bad. And even there are foreigners sitting behind Winnie, and pretty busy place, I'm gonna tell you, for Monday, not so bad.
Alright, so the food arrived. So we order noodle and also the beef. Smacznego, kochanie.
So this is the mie ayam, looks like this one. This was very classical dish. This is like beef with the sauce. It's called like, what is it called actually?
Black pepper sauce.
Black pepper sauce, like this one, and this is like a seafood noodle. Very nice indeed. Alright guys, we are after food. As you can see, you can find so many interesting restaurants here. We had Chinese food this time. Very nice, we paid 200k for all, which is about 15 US, maybe not the cheapest, but really nice. And this is already the second floor of the Bali Mall Galleria. It's kind of quiet, like for the end of November, beginning of December, no Christmas vibe yet. However, the most of the shops are open, and let's see what's going on around. So that's the main hall. Actually, some shops are gone. There's supposed to be a Sports Direct, and on this side we have a huge Uniqlo, which is actually Japanese brand, and this Uniqlo is actually the biggest in full entire Bali Island. In case if you would like to come to Bali and shopping, that's definitely place for you. Then we have some kids shop. Down there is the Optic, Victoria's Secret. Many interesting shops. However, today also not so many people, but also you have to consider as this is Monday. However, 3 weeks to Christmas. Last year during the pandemic, I believe it was actually slightly busier. And some local kids making pictures here as well. You wanna have a picture like this? The full entire gardens are wet. It's still raining. Actually, we are already like 1 hour here, and it's very raining. Sayang, it's very rainy season now.
Okay guys, so if you guys asking us, so what you can do during the rainy season in Bali? Going to the mall, cafe hopping, eating,
Spa.
chill, spa. So yeah,
Pretty
this
that's
is
it. There is actually another optic shop. This mall is actually popular for the optic shops. So in case if you're interested, you have to. This is the place, and this is the hypermart. Also one of the biggest hypermarket or supermarkets in full entire Bali Island, and it's also located in the mall. You can buy the clothes and the groceries and all of the stuff, and the surroundings look like this one, some small shops, or you can buy actually drones here. And if you ask always when Winnie is buying dresses, whenever Winnie see dresses like this one actually in the mall, in the bazaar, in the market, in the boutiques, everywhere. Honey, actually you didn't buy any nice dress long time. The last one was in Vietnam, remember when I negotiate?
Yeah.
Maybe,
That's why I'm
maybe have a look today.
strolling around and then window shopping.
Yeah, Winnie loves shopping and promos.
Honey, look, all item is 100k. Seriously?
Sounds like a good price.
Oh, nice.
Pretty nice stuff even. If you like something, just take it. And this is like a tech center. You can have Samsung, some speakers. Here actually, that's actually a very nice shop. Once I was looking for something there. Digimap, which is like a Apple store, then game shop. The guy actually is playing on the PlayStation 5 on the Logitech steering wheel. Small shops, but everything what you're looking for, you should find here. If you cannot find something in Bali, unfortunately or fortunately, you have to travel to Java, to Jakarta or Surabaya. They are the best malls in Indonesia country, the biggest one, and you can find everything there. And that's one of the shots of the mall. There's supposed to be a big Planet Sports in the future, maybe, hopefully. Time zone, obviously, but the hall is pretty empty today. No Christmas tree, like I said. Nowadays, each year, and it's like a less Christmas vibe in the malls, unfortunately. Kinda quiet today, in general, but still enjoyable. Honey, did you buy dress? No, not on today's occasion.
No, because all the shop they're selling the smaller size dress.
Oh no. Don't worry, son. Cool kids shop. Also, if you have a kids, you can find there's some cosmetics and the spa. And this is like a Telkomsel Grapari shop. So if you have a problem with the SIM card, you can come here. And also summer here supposed to be CIMB Niaga Bank, Nature Republic. This is another cosmetic shop. This bank is highly recommended in Indonesia in general, very like it. Also they have a nice shop actually.
Yeah.
And another cosmetics, and then you have a batik carries. In case if you would like to buy some batiks, beautiful shirts, you can also find here. But that's like government people actually wearing. You used to wear like that.
I have too. That's my uniform. So people asking me, where I buy my batik? Here in Batik Kris. And then down there you see that's also the the restaurant.
More
court.
food options. They have some Thai actually kiosk, herbal, many interesting stuff actually. And unfortunately, after walking here, I realized as actually now in 2022 is quieter than during pandemic. And I believe most of people actually going to beach walk, which is obviously the best mall in full entire Bali. Also GBL is here. Nice speakers. American Fossil Shop and J.Co, popular brand for the donuts, is here. Some cafe, Starbucks, all of this. Victoria's Secret, this optic space is also popular for the sunglasses and glasses in general optic. Some sport shops, and we are heading now to the most popular part of this mall. Probably some of you can guess already what is it and where is it. That's right, you guessed it right. That's Matahari, legendary place for everyone.
So you mean popular place for Janus and Grasinka?
If you know what I mean, you know what I mean.
Okay, so I also like to shopping here because much cheaper than the shop inside. But you know the stuff? I bought it much cheaper, but the next day it's broken.
So your bag from the fake market in Bangkok is better?
Yeah.
Definitely better. But that's popular place. Long time ago was very popular. I don't know how is it now, but was popular. So you can buy some cheap pearls, cheap perfumes with the brands what usually known brands or some local brands. Sometimes the fake stuff here as well. So many discounts and everything is very very cheap over here in general.
Look at
As you can
this
see. What's that?
silver things.
It's
It
definitely
costs
not
you
silver. So
198k.
that's actually expensive, Sarah.
It's
For,
cheap.
for this shop, expensive.
No, it's cheap and discount 20%.
Nice, nice. And they have a Christmas decorations actually. That's the big stomach for them. If you are looking for some affordable shoes, sandals, bags, like women's bags and all of this stuff, everything you can find here in Matahari. However, the quality is of course not really like, it's lower quality. I don't know, some people said actually as long time ago the quality was perfect here, like really like very good. But currently the quality is really, it's just alright. But you can find so much stuff over here in general. Bags, shoes. And this is the last shot of the mall. You can find the Hoops Indonesia, which is like a Jordan shops. You can buy the legit original Jordan shoes, the Timberland, some bags, and they are Ripcore and all the sports shops. And also here is somewhere the desserts section. However, first Timberland here, also Samsonite for the bags again, and some other sandals, better quality. This is very nice leather shop actually. Once I bought my bag, what Winnie was called, it looks like a school bag. It's actually a messenger bag. Very good quality actually, very affordable prices. Some more boutiques, and then there's the food option actually, desserts option, most likely chat time. Everyone's supposed to know chat time, very popular thing in Indonesia. However, I don't like it for some reason, but I like panina, which is like a dessert in the cup, like this one. You pay 30k and you have a beautiful cheesecake or chocolate cake or something like that in the cup. Can you guess what? In case if you ask, outside it's still raining. It's already like, I don't know what time is it, almost 9 p.m. It's raining all day long today. So time for chocolate. And also in case if you're asking for the prices like this one, 27,000 for chocolate classic, my favorite one, this one. You should try it, it's really nice, very nice stuff over here. This is the newest Chinese Wuling in Indonesia. Very popular car, electric due to G20. It's too small for me because our neighbor actually is dealer of these cars and he brings this home. I try it, I cannot sit inside, too small for me, too small. And this is the newest Xenia, like for everyone who likes the cars. Actually, Indonesian cars are very specific. Oakley is here also. Some of the shops actually are closed. I think the Ripco is closed already. Bath Body Works, Hanover. Actually, a lot of cosmetic shops are in this mall. Definitely more than in the beach work. Mostly local kids buying the cosmetics and stuff like this one. And some Hanover shops with the dresses, Bamboo Blonde. So I'm looking for some cosmetics here. Let's see. Yes, honey. Enjoy your time. Oh, they have a beautiful decorations, finally. I really like decorations of Christmas.
Promo.
Yes?
Buy one, get two free.
Oh my god, that's so tempting. I will focus on the decorations for the Christmas. I really miss Christmas, to be honest. And unfortunately, less and less decorations are around here. Sayang, what did you buy?
Well, basically, I bought the 3 body spray. I just paid 365.
Not so bad.
Not so bad, and the smell is so good.
Okay, cool. The busiest shop in full entire mall. Let's go. Maybe because of decorations everywhere around.
Okay, so this is the end of our shopping today, honey.
Yes, I enjoy my panina. Very nice dishes. I'm not promoting them, but you should try it. They're really nice. And meanwhile, that's the situation in the mall. And also when we are sitting here, because there are not any other place to sit actually, we realize they don't check in Peduli Lingi Lingi, the app, what we usually scan long time ago. You can just enter the mall. They don't really check in the Peduli Lingi Lingi, the app, right? Alright guys, unfortunately it's still raining. I hope so tomorrow will be better weather so we can make some nice videos somewhere where, I don't know, somewhere maybe more interesting. However, I think all our videos are interesting because the monkeys making those videos, guys. You cannot say no. See you tomorrow. See ya.
Fine. Rain or shine.
Or snow. We will make a videos for sure.
Bye.
Bye. See ya.